Hi everyone, today I have the 4 chic carrying case included multi-tool knife. It is a 15-in-1 tool, you guys, and it is so cool. It can be pliers, wire cutters, it has a safety lock, and it even has a file, screwdriver, and scissors. So let's take a look at it. Alright, you guys, as you can see on the little instruction manual, this is what it looks all the way open up. It has so many different things that it can become, such as a rope cutter, has a can opener, a serrated knife, everything like that. Really like the carrying case. Clearly it is high quality. I really like the material. So let's get it open and check all of these things out. All right, you guys, this thing is pretty packed. I can see how many things they have inside. It is just so awesome. So for example, here we have a knife. As you can see, it has not only a serrated part, but also a sharp one here at the top. Very sharp, so be careful. Of course, it also has a locking mechanism down here. As you can see, it's not going to be able to fold back until I pull this to the side. But before I do, let's test it out with a little sheet of white paper, see how well it cuts. There we go. All right, you guys, please be careful when handling this, and again, safely tuck it away by pressing this down and pulling it backward. Alright, you guys, I messed around with it for a little bit, and it's simple and easy to kind of learn what tools go where after a while. So I hope you guys have fun checking it out. And of course, as you can see, it comes with all these little screwdrivers as well. So it is so good for anyone that does construction, a handyman, things like that, you guys. So whether you're giving this gift as a Father's Day gift to a boyfriend, husband, to a father-in-law, this is an amazing gift that anyone in those areas will like. It can even start a fire, you guys. It has a fire starter and an emergency whistle as well. So check this out, you guys. It definitely takes a little bit of practice to find these things in here and get used to where everything is. But after you do, this can save your life. This is an amazing tool, and I definitely recommend anyone to get it.